Hey everyone, today we're exploring the Google Pixel 9, an impressive smartphone packed with AI features, top-notch performance, and a sleek new design. Let's jump right in. The Pixel 9 boasts a powerful Tensor G4 chip and a 12GB of RAM, delivering smooth performance for multitasking and AI-driven apps. Its 6.3-inch Actua display is vibrant with an adaptive refresh rate from 60 Hz all the way to 120 Hz, making scrolling super fluid. The 4,700 mAh battery ensures all-day use. It supports 45 watts fast charging, although the improvement is minimal compared to regular chargers. Google's 50-megapixel main and 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera shines in low-light photography. The front 10.5-megapixel camera keeps your selfies extremely sharp, while AI features like Real Tone and Magic Editor bring your photos to life, making editing a breeze. Durability meets elegance. The Pixel 9 is tough with Gorilla Glass Fictitious 2 and an IP68 rating. Plus, AI features like Gemini Live and Pixel Studio add smart functionality to your day-to-day tasks. Overall, the Pixel 9 delivers exceptional performance and AI. It starts at $799. Would you upgrade? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. I'll see you soon.